Also, I have some properties for parallelogram. If a quadrilateral is parallelogram, then the diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals segment match between opposite sides or opposite vertices A and C. When you match between them, AC is diagonal. B and D also, when you match between them, you get diagonal. He said that diagonals bisecting each other. What's the meaning of bisecting each other? This means each diagonal intersect the second diagonal in the middle. This means PA equal PC and PB equal PD. This is the meaning of bisecting each other. Each diagonal intersect the other diagonal in the middle like this. Again, PA and PC are equal. PB and PD are equal. If a quadrilateral is parallelogram, then each diagonal separates the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. When we have parallelogram and we draw diagonal like here, BD, then I will have two congruent triangles. This means triangle ABD and triangle CBD. This one and this one are congruent. Are what? Congruent. And we know congruent triangles have equal sides and equal angles. Have what? Equal sides and equal angles. We use these properties to solve some examples. Like here. You see, he say for you, if WXYZ is parallelogram, find the value of R. Find the value of R. Of course, here, WX equal 4R. You see, WX equal 4R. WX is congruent to what? To ZW, because opposite sides are congruent. Therefore, I can write 4R equal 18. You see, like here, divide 4, then R equal 4.5. Another example about the same figure. Find the value of S. You see, this part of diagonal XZ, this one, XZ. As we said, the diagonals bisecting each other. This means this part of diagonal 7S plus 3 equal this part, which is 8S. XZ is divided into two equal parts. This means 7S plus 3 equal 8S. You see, like this. Then solve the equation. Minus 7S minus 7S, S equal 3. Same figure. He wants me to find the value of T. T is here. You see, we said that diagonals cut or divide the parallelogram into two congruent triangles in X, WY or WXY, this triangle, and YZW, this triangle, and this triangle are congruent. Why? Because diagonal separates a parallelogram into two congruent triangles. In two congruent triangles, I said sides are equals and angles are equals. Angle WX, see, follow me, WX, which is 2T, equal angle WYZ, which is this one. Again, angle YWX, its measurement is 2T, congruent to angle WYZ, which is what? 18 degrees. The reason here CP, CTC, if you remember, corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Now I substitute 2t equal 18, divide 2, t equal 9. We have here same examples using the same way.